Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much, guys, for coming back. My name is Cynthia. If you're watching my video for the first time, you're welcome to the channel, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to make this kaftan bubu dress. It's a requested video from one of my subscribers. I have 3.5 yards of crepe fabric. So go ahead and fold that fabric. I folded my fabric into two this way. I'll go ahead and then fold it again into 4. The fabric I'm using is 60 inches by length. I have 30 inches here. I'll be making use of this for 30 inches. I'll go ahead and then place the neck measurement. I'll mark 3.25 for the neck width. I don't want it to be too wide. I'll mark 1.5 inches for the back depth and 3.5 inches for the front neck depth. I will connect it. This is the front neckline and this is the back neckline. I'm not going to be adding shoulder slope to this dress. I'll mark my arm opening right on this side here. I will mark the arm opening up to the waist measurement. Totally depends on how wide you want it. If you look at the dress, the wideness of the sleeve extended to the waistline. So I will mark my waist measurement, which is 17.5 inches here. So right on this arm opening, I will place 1/4 of the hip measurement plus some allowance. 1/4 of the hip measurement is 11.5 inches. I'll mark 11.5 inches here. I'll add extra 7 inches and add 1 inch for sewing allowance. So altogether is 8 inches. I will check what I have here. I have 19.5 inches here. I will go to the bottom side and still place this 19.5 inches there. So I'll make sure I connect it to meet the length. So I'll connect it straight like so to meet this 19 inches at the lower part. So I will make a curve here. So I will measure the length of the dress. The dress length is 63 inches. So this is 63 inches plus hemming allowance. I will go ahead and cut it out. I will cut the back neckline. I'll be cutting out the front neckline later on. I'll notch this shoulder side here. I'll be cutting out the front neckline. I'll take this out of the way. I'll cut out the front neckline. For the front one, I'll be making a front slit. I'll come down 4.5 inches right from the neckline. I will just open this place up. I'll open it up. So you open it up, you have something like this. I'm not going to be using facing. I will use this design to design the neckline. So I will use it to design the neckline. Stitch it from here, here, take it like so, all the way, take it to the back neckline and bring it back to the front. So I'll go and design it with this. So guys, I'm done stitching the neckline. So I use this design to hem the neckline round. I also attach the inner belt. So I cut out about a 30 inches bed. The wideness is 6 inches. I stitch it on one side and turn it inside out. So I measure from the shoulder to the waistline, and then this is the midpoint. So from this midpoint, I place a quarter of the waist measurement minus half inch on this side. Instead of 8.5 inches, I place 8 inches here. I also place 8 inches right from the midpoint here on this side and attach the belt. I've hemmed the arm opening. What we are going to do next is to join the side. I'll match the arm opening together here. Use 1 inch to stitch it all the way to the length of the dress. I will repeat the same thing for this side. After I've done that, I will hem the lower part with 1.5 inches. I'll fold 1.5 inches into 2 and stitch it round. So guys, I'm done joining the side. I also hem the lower part. So this is my pressing button. You will take it and bring it up like so, pin it down. So I will show you guys where to position your drape. So I came down 16 inches from my shoulder and add the pressing button here. This is the midpoint. I went inside by 5 inches from the midpoint. From this first button, I went down by 10.5 inches and attached the second one here. So I will take this up. This is what gives it that drape. Take it up and pin it like so. So I put it on the left side. You can put it on the right. Totally depends on you. I will tie the inner belt. After tying the inner belt, then take this and pull it up. This is the arm opening. So guys, that's it for today. Please like this video, comment and share. We'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Subscribe to my channel if you're here for the first time. Bye.